Hello world, welcome to our channel. In this episode, we'll be sharing with you the unboxing of our newly purchased coffee machine, the Nespresso. Let's go! Good day guys, today I'll be doing this unboxing of this item we got from Nespresso. It's a Nespresso coffee machine. We bought this as 50% off in the local store nearby. This item is recommended by our friend who has got this one as well. Go with me as I do this the unboxing. The coffee machine, it comes with the manual as well. We find this machine as a slim one because we have a tiny space. We need a slim coffee machine in our kitchen. We are busy people, we need coffee all the time before we go to work. This is it now. The cord is not that so long. And this is it. It comes with a container for the hot water to refill the water in this one. And this coffee machine, it comes with multi boxes. 1, 2, 3. Let's open the first one. This one is called Frothy Cup. This coffee machine comes with this thing, the Nespresso milk frothers with the lid. It needs also to plug in when you do this thing. And another one, we got another box here. Let's open some of it inside this one. What is this? Covered with the plastic cassette. Nespresso. This thing. Okay. It comes with some different flavors of coffee. What to call that? Coffee. It comes with the coffee capsules. Yes, 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 pieces of coffee capsules. We should take with another one. Let's go. It has a gift. It says a gift. Okay. We're given the coffee subscription. You have to activate this one to avail for the subscription. It's something like £25. These are the capsules as well. I think these are the capsules, but they have the different Astesio. We got Fortado. Yes, this one is caramel cookie. Okay. Caramel cookie. This one is Colombia flavor. Storneo. This is a bag. And that's it.